So there's a saying that goes that it ain't training if it ain't raining. So today is the perfect opportunity to do some training while it's raining. So I'm going out on a planned 5k walk in the area just to do some exercise, and yeah, let's do this. I'll keep you up to date. Yeah, so over the last 2 weeks it's been raining almost every day. The ground is really saturated. There's little streams everywhere. At the moment it's simmered down to a very light mist rain that is happening. It's around about 8:20 or so. It's not cold. As you can see, I'm not wearing a jacket at the moment. The only protection that I brought with is my poncho that I've got in my bag for in case it starts raining heavily. But yeah, just out enjoying the new environment, having a jolt in this mist rain. So yeah, let's see what happens in the next round. About roughly an hour. It takes me normally about an hour to do a 5k. Yeah, let's see what happens in the meantime. As you can see, this is what it looks like at the moment. The roads are very wet. The dirt road, it used to be a dirt road, now it's a mud road, based on the fact that we've had some serious rain the last couple of weeks. Yeah, so the rain is coming down a little bit heavier now. I've got my poncho on. The poncho is one of my favorite rain gear pieces of equipment. The fact that you can put it over your pack and yourself without actually having a problem with that. And then also it gets quite breathable because it's open on the sides. As you can see here, it just fits over your gear, so it does make it a little bit easier. But I'll have to cut this video short because there is some water coming onto my phone as well. So I'll talk to you later on again. Yeah, I've just completed the 4 km mark. I'm doing quite alright, not as good as I would like it to be, but that's one of those things. And yeah, a little bit of a break in the rain. Managed to pull down my poncho hood, and yeah, still enjoying it. It's a beautiful surroundings. As you can hear to my left here is a big road, but the rest of the roads inside is quite quiet. There was 2 vehicles that I've met on the road, and yeah, just having a blast, enjoying the rain, enjoying the walking. Yeah, so I'm done with my walk. Just did under 6.5 kilos for the day. I'm quite happy with the time as well. Not what I would like, but it's not bad. I would take that anytime. Any time spent outside is in any case better than being inside. Did experience a little bit of a fog rain, and then a little bit heavier, and then yeah, it was like that the whole time. But I did enjoy it. I am very impressed with my poncho. It's the first time that I've used this specific poncho out in the rain, and he did an excellent job. Quite dry, so I'm happy with the performance of the poncho as well as myself. And I did enjoy a good day out, or good morning. Yeah, so let's take on the rest of the day, and until the next video, keep on prepping and train in the rain. As they say, if it ain't raining, it ain't training.